Oh, all right. We have a question here that we will solve. If y is equal to, okay, if y power of y is equal to 4 raised to the power of y plus 16, find the value of y. All right, so let's quickly go to the solution. Solution. Giving y raised to the power of y is equal to 4 raised to the power of y plus 16. Alright, so from here, we can simply expand this. Note that y raised to the power of y is equal to 4 raised to the power of y multiplied by 4 raised to the power of 16. Remember that in indices, you have if you have a number like a raised to the power of b b plus c is the same thing as a raised to the power of b times a raised to the power of c. So don't forget that. So let's divide both sides by 4 raised to the power of y. This we have y power of y divided by 4 raised to the power of y, which is equal to 4 power of y times 4 power of 16 divided by 4 power of y. So from here, if we cancel out and do our division correctly, we'll be left with y raised to the power of y raised to the power of y divided by 4 raised to the power of y, which is equal to 4 raised to the power of 16 divided by 4 raised to the power of y. Right? Okay, we have cancelled out this, so this will not be there again. Alright, so this is all we have. Now from here, we can simply have this y raised to the power of y divided by 4. Get this y raised to the divide by 4 to the power of y. Now we have a number that is common here, which is the power of y. So the power of y is common, so we can actually extract the power and include a bracket here and raise it to the power of this y this way. And this is simply equal to 4 raised to the power of 16. So if you have 4 raised to the power of 16, let's divide both powers. Let's divide both powers by 4. You have y divided by 4 to the power of y over 4 is equal to 4 raised to the power of 16 divided by 4. So here we have y divided by 4 to the power of y over 4 is equal to 4 raised to the power of 4. 16 divided by 4 is 4. Now let's move to the next slide and see. Here we have y divided by 4 raised to the power of y divided by 4 equal to 4 raised to the power of 4. Now at this point, if you see this, if you compare this, comparing the right hand side and the left hand side, you will agree with me that the power here is also the same with this power. And this here is also the same thing with this. So whichever way we go, we will still have something that looks like, from here we can have y over 4 to be equal to what? 4. Therefore, y is equal to what? 4 multiplied by 4, that gives us what? 16. Y is equal to 16. So that is the answer that we have from this point. In case you have any question, you can drop your question at the comment section, and then we'll get back to you. Right? Thank you.